Yo, good morning. We back again, once again on the Pokédears channel. Y'all know what time it is. Pack a day for a year straight. Day number 345. And we keeping that streak alive to 365. Ball. Get it? 20 more days, family. See if we can pull us an SIR or something great. We still going with perfect order. We got 3 packs left. We're going to go with the Meowth and say the Clefable packs for the last 2 days of perfect order until we get some more. So let's go. If you're new to the space of the Pokédears channel, gaming, vlogging, streaming, pack openings, pack battles, unboxing, news, reviews, gaming, entertainment, all that great stuff, hit the like button, share the content, tell a friend to tell a friend. The Pokédears channel, we live and direct, family. Appreciate all the love and support. On the way to 2K subs. Let's go. And to all my relatives that been here since the beginning, to all my Poké cousins, hey, goodie was good. Happy Friday. Hit that like button. The like button don't cost you nothing. It's free. Let's get to it, y'all. Perfect order. That Meowth pack. Let's go. See if we have anything good. How y'all doing this morning? Happy Friday. Hope everybody had a productive work week. Hope everything went well. Now we getting into it. And it's the weekend. Let's go. QR code, fan bam, thank you, ma'am. Get y'all some points off. Go. Let's get it. Got that Tyrant. We got that Clefairy. If we get an SIR too, we're gonna top load them things and we getting them graded. So you already know. Especially we got doubles, that can go to the next giveaway. Cause it take I think they talking about, it used to be 60 days against the upgraded family. Now they talk about 95 days. May have to rush that thing, Luxios. Pokepad. Think we got us a EX back there. Might have us a hit. Got us a EX. See something a little shiny. Furful. Okay. A Saladin.
Woo! This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't.
I was looking for this one. Ooh, let's go. Happy Friday. Oh yeah, this is clean. Hey, this is the story they was talking about the episode of SpongeBob when Patrick in the high heels and he got Yo, y'all crazy for that one too. I've been seeing y'all getting on Starmie in this comment when we finally pulled this one. I've been looking for this one as well. So we definitely gonna get this graded. We finally got full art Starmie. We got the SIR Starmie. So we gotta send that on along with the SIR Starmie so we can get this graded. We're gonna put this in the top loader. Yeah, y'all funny for that one. Y'all say, why the Starmie in perfect order, the full art, like the one with the episode of Patrick and SpongeBob when he in the high heels? Y'all funny for that one. Hold on, let me get that down there, y'all silly, y'all. I was reading the comments on that. That was crazy. So we do have the full art. Looks very clean. Gonna send that off to get graded. Have put that in the top loader. Nice. That ain't the card right there either. That's just the actual. Hold on, let me check that. See how long. Hold on. So I don't like the way that sleeve look in there. Hold on, y'all. Cause it make it look like it's like it got like a dent in the back, which it don't. So let's get us a different sleeve. See what I'm saying? That's clean right there. Let's check that out. That was a bad sleeve. We're gonna get us another one out the pack. Cause that one was kind of like bent. I ain't like the way that made that look. So we're gonna put this in a better sleeve right here. That looks way better than, see that had like a bent right there. So it actually made it look like the card was damaged, but it's not. So let's put that back in the top loader. have known we pulled that out of the Meowth pack. When we pulled the SIR, it was actually in the Star Me pack. So we got us that. We'll send that off to get graded. We'll put that right there. Now let's get to the giveaway binder. It's an update. So we're gonna send that off to get graded. We said. And I'm gonna add, we got EXs full arts. Add a couple EXs that I found in my old binder. That since we pulled this starting right here, I'm gonna add 3 cards in here. So, because that's gonna take a minute to get graded. So I'm gonna put myself an EX. I'm gonna put EX and a full art. I'm gonna show y'all the space where I'm gonna put it at too. Pause. Got the right too shiny. So y'all be a part of the giveaway. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 slots left. Show y'all the names in a minute. We just filling up the binder. We got 10 more pages to fill up. You want to know how to be a part of the giveaway? If you're new to the channel, hit that like button. Comment on a video, a short, a live. Drop your name in the comment section. Let me know that you're new to the family, and all you gotta do is sub up, and I'll see it. Add your name to the giveaway. If you don't see your name on there, I'll show y'all in a minute. And if you've already been a part of the family, just hit that like button and drop a comment. And leave your name in the comment if you don't see your name on the list, which I will show in a second. Just want to show y'all, give y'all an update of the binder. Right there. Promo card. So this is where we left off at. So I'm gonna fill up this page personally. I'm gonna add 2 EXs right here. I'm gonna find us a full art, and I'm gonna put something else right here to fill up this page. Because of the Star Me right there, we got to send that off to get graded. So when that comes back, I can have that in for the other. That should come in about that time for the second giveaway. Because I'm gonna have some PSA, so y'all know about this. I'm gonna put y'all in a little secret. I got some stuff that I'm gonna send a PSA that I'm keeping for myself, and then I'm gonna do another giveaway for. So y'all be tuned in for that one. So we'll be able to win some PSAs on the next one and further giveaways that's coming. So like I said, we have 10 slots left. I mean, not 10 slots, 10 pages left to fill up, which will get done quick. No other problem. Here go the names, giveaway names right here. So if you don't see your name, you need to drop it in the comment section. We have 5 slots left, so I'll go slow so y'all can see your names. I know my handwriting is crazy. But I can see it, and I know who's there, and I'll fix it. So y'all see y'all name on there. There you go. G Trill. What's goody good? What's everybody? See that? Right there. 40, 42. Like I said, we got 5 slots left right there. So 5 slots. And we're giving away 8 binders, fill up the first 2 pages, and then I'm giving away 3 CGC graded slabs. So, you know our motto, gotta collect them all, gotta catch them all. Yo, we hit today, 345. Gotta send this off to PSA. Let's go. Appreciate all love and support, family. Peace.